And what all can come into asset? So the building and land, what you want. The building can be a commercial building, which it can be a mall which you have kept for rent. It can be a residential building where you have an apartment. It can be a guest house or a farmhouse. Everything will come into build assets, and it is under the category building and land. So next one, you have a motor car. Any car you possess, that wealth is also considered. Jewelry, you have the precious stones, diamond, platinum, other things, articles made up of gold, silver, and any other precious metal. Now platinum is considered precious metal. So whatever gold, silver, precious metals you have, that will come under jewelry. And urban land, in the villages you have any farmland, cash in hand, individual or up to 50,000 cash you can have, it is exempted. More than 50,000, how much ever you have, it is going to be taxable. So if you are going to if you are going to have companies, means you will be having, if you are recorded the cash inflow, means it is exempt. If it is unrecorded amount, means it is going to be taxable. It is going to be taxable. Okay, that's why when they go for income tax rate and all, the amount which they seize, if it is into the book of records, means it is going to be exempted. If it is not the book of records, means it is going to be taxable. And what the board, ship, and yacht you are owning, everything will be coming under wealth tax. So what all things are exempted from wealth tax? Property held by a trust, that is exempted. Interest in the property of HUF or family member is exempted. Residential building of ex-ruler, the kings and other people are exempted. Jewelry of kings are exempted. Any house of lot of individual is exempted from paying wealth tax. Okay, so these are the categories where you are exempted from wealth tax.